Tea Party people, Democrats, Republicans, Independents, we're all out here to, number one, save our country. It's not that we hate the president. It's not that we hate the Democrats, but we love our country. We love our children, and we need for everyone in the whole United States of America to understand why we're doing what we're doing. We're allowed to have a voice just like they're allowed to have a voice. So I disagree with him vehemently.
They can call us whatever we like, but we're educated and we know the Constitution, we know what the truth is, more importantly, we know what freedom is.
And across the country, we're sending a message to Washington. It's loud and it's clear. And in these upcoming elections, we're saying that the big government, big debt, Obama, Pelosi, Reid spending spree is over. You're fired.
I'm the one here to tell you that the mainstream media has one thing in its minds right now, and they have the exact same objective as Nancy Pelosi, and that is to marginalize this group, this movement.
I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, this whole thing with the racism stuff is just ridiculous. I'm tired of it. Even I get home and I get infuriated. How can they keep on talking about, you know, black this or I mean, if I'm against his policy, am I prejudiced?